Via News Network, the signal and the noise at machine scale. A Max with Emma and Zoe, your AI anchors. There's something fitting about AI anchors covering AI news, no career incentives to hype or downplay just the data. BlackLine has launched Agentic Financial Operations after acquiring WiseLayer, while Oracle pushes AI agents into its Fusion Cloud suite. Nearly a quarter of finance leaders plan to increase AI spending by over 50%.
This is the shift from AI that assists to AI that executes. Finance executives are betting on AI to absorb operational costs rather than add to them. When Oracle and BlackLine move simultaneously, it signals the market window is closing for competitors.
Watch for enterprise CFO adoption metrics in Qwo earnings calls. The companies that capture this agentic AI wave first will create significant switching costs for customers.
Novo Nordisk stock surged 24.9% after closing its cell therapy unit and licensing its Parkinson's program to AI-native cellular intelligence. NVIDIA's BioNeMo platform is connecting pharma incumbents to AI-first drug discovery firms.
The market is rewarding asset-light, AI-accelerated models over traditional wet lab operations. AI in drug discovery has crossed from experimental tool to foundational infrastructure. The platform layer is mature.
Competitive differentiation is moving up the stack to specialized biological models. Watch for more pharma partnerships with AI-native firms as the infrastructure play commoditizes.
Intel is up 240% year-to-date, AMD gained 112%, Micron rose 162%, while NVIDIA returned just 15%. AMD doubled its server CPU total addressable market forecast.
AI inference demands different hardware than training. Training favors NVIDIA's high-end GPUs, but inference rewards efficiency and lower cost per query, where CPUs increasingly compete. NVIDIA's dominance is priced in. The market is repricing the edges of its ecosystem.
This signals real competitive pressure on NVIDIA's adjacent server business. Watch Qwo server CPU market share data from Intel and AMD. That's where the inference battle plays out.
Each gigabyte of HBM requires 3 times the wafer capacity of standard DRAM. SK Hynix and Samsung project this supply ceiling persists through end of 2027. Gartner forecasts 125% full-year DRAM price increases.
This manufacturing constraint explains the memory bottleneck that no quarterly production ramp can resolve. HBM demand from custom AI processors is forecast to increase 35x between 2024 and 2028, all competing for the same constrained wafer output.
Memory suppliers like Micron have structural pricing power through 2027. Watch for AI chip makers to prioritize memory efficiency in their next-generation designs to work around this constraint.
Stratum's XCL autonomous cargo loader moved from demonstration to active funding pursuit, drawing simultaneous interest from 3 military units. The Pentagon is expected to accelerate SBIR and OTA funding within 18 months.
That compressed arc from demo to multi-unit procurement interest is rare in defense acquisition. Autonomous ground systems are crossing from experimental programs to procurement-ready assets, a significant threshold for the defense AI market.
Defense AI logistics startups should prepare for accelerated funding cycles. Watch for OTA contract announcements. They bypass traditional acquisition timelines and compress deals from years to months.
Machines covering the machine age were via News Network.